Hey guys, this is Dan with Log&Timber Works. We're here in beautiful Middletown, Virginia, actually working on a redecking project today. So we're going to be installing some round rustic railing on this beautiful log home that we're working on. And Vern is going to go through the process of coning. So Vern, go ahead and take it away, and we're going to show you guys how to cone a top rail. Okay. Just want to give you a quick tip when you're installing rustic round top rail and bottom rail spindle systems and railing systems on your decks. This is one thing that we do that just adds a little bit of extra insurance. When we evaluate log homes, and we evaluate over 100 log homes a year, one of the common themes that we see with round railing systems is rot. What happens if you look down here, these cone sockets create actually cups of water that can form in your bottom rail and in your top rail. So moisture can sit in there for long periods of time and actually rot out your top rail and your bottom rail. So one of the things that we like to do before we do an installation is use a borate treatment. Borate is basically borax, and this can only be used on bare wood. So now's a perfect time for us to do this before we get this railing system stained. So we're using Permachink's borax right now, but Sashko also makes a great borate treatment as well. So this, I like to use a 15% solution. So it's about 1.5 to 2 pounds per gallon of water. It comes in just a white powder, okay? So I'm gonna just simply mix that in a bucket, which I've already done here. And I'm simply going to take my borate solution, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set all these logs upright so that the cups or the sockets are facing upright. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour this borate solution in here like so, and I'm just going to let it soak in. Okay, it's a sunny day today, we're not getting any rain today, so I'm just going to let these railing systems soak in this borate treatment. I can also use a spray bottle for some vertical applications. If I want to treat anything else with bare wood, I can simply just use my spray bottle and spray borate on there as well as a topical solution. So all of these posts and railing systems that we install are borate pressure treated from the lumber mill, but this is just a cheap extra insurance policy to make sure that you don't get premature rot with your railing systems. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and a follow, and we'll see you on the next project.